Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now by confirming prerequisites. Check OS version, free disk space, and that you have administrator rights. Once verified, back up the app's data to cloud or external media so rollback is possible. Next, close other programs that might lock files and briefly disable antivirus if installs get blocked. This avoids failed writes. After those actions, locate the app's official update channel, built-in updater, vendor site, or certified store, and prepare the installer or update package to run. You now run the update process itself. Choose the built-in updater first, because it handles dependencies and settings automatically. If you must install manually, run the installer as administrator and read prompts. Select repair or full install when unsure. Make sure to keep a terminal or log viewer open to capture messages. Logs explain failures and warnings. Once the installer finishes, allow any automatic restarts and do not interrupt file operations, because interrupted updates create corrupted installs that require recovery. You finish by verifying the update. Open the app, confirm the new version number, and test key functions like file open, save, syncing, and plugins. If problems appear, revert quickly. Restore your backup or use a system restore point to reduce downtime. If rollback is impossible, inspect installer logs, uninstall cleanly, then reinstall the correct version. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and reapply any custom settings. One troubleshooting tip: if installers hang, uninstall temp files and run the installer in safe mode.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.